You shine a laser into a liquid filled with tiny particles. Those particles are jittering randomly, Brownian motion, so the scattered light should look like pure chaos. Normally, you'd expect all that randomness to wash polarization out. Like trying to keep a straight line drawn on a shaking bus. More shaking means less clean structure. But researchers reported something that sounds backwards. In a Brownian liquid, side-scattered light can show a large-scale polarization pattern, what the paper calls spin locking. And before we go further, any swirl graphics you see in this video are just illustrations to help you visualize the idea, not raw measurement maps. The actual result comes from the published paper, and I'll link it in the description so you can check it yourself. Here's the whole mystery in one sentence. How can thermal randomness in a liquid produce an ordered polarization or spin pattern in the light you collect from the side? First, Brownian motion. Think of it as a microscopic drunkard's walk. Every particle is getting bumped by the liquid's molecules constantly. So this scene the light travels through is disordered in space and disordered in time. Now, quick simplification. What is polarization? Imagine light as a wave that can wiggle in a direction. If those wiggles are mostly aligned, the light is polarized. If they're all mixed, it's scrambled. So your intuition says, if light keeps bouncing around inside a random moving cloud of particles, those wiggle directions should get mixed up fast. That's the expectation. Now the key twist, geometry. This isn't about what you see straight through the beam. It's about what you see perpendicular to it, the side scatter. Picture two viewpoints. 0 degrees is forward, straight along the laser. 90 degrees is sideways, what a detector sees from the side of the cuvette. Here's an analogy. It's like a crowded room. If you stare straight through the doorway, you mostly see the main flow. But if you stand to the side, you notice patterns. Who's clustering? Who's moving together? Things that you'd miss head-on. And in that side-scattered channel, the reported pattern shows up. Not order everywhere, just order in a specific angle. One quick pedant-proof note. When I say spin locking, I mean spin locking polarization or spin order. In other words, the light stops looking random and starts leaving a pattern you can recognize. What makes this wild is the contrast. A system that's disordered in space and time, showing hidden order in the light you collect from the side. It's like shaking a box of marbles and somehow getting a repeatable fingerprint out of the rattling. And this isn't some exotic frozen setup. It's described with nanometric particles suspended in a liquid at room temperature. So the randomness isn't a bug in the experiment, it's part of the point. So what's the practical punchline? The team says the response depends on particle size and material, so it could help characterize nanoparticles. In plain English, different particles could leave different signatures in that side-scattered pattern. That's the flip. What looks like noise becomes a signal. Instead of randomness destroying information, the randomness helps reveal it. If you look from the right angle. Recap. Brownian disorder in a liquid. Compare 0 degrees forward versus 90 degrees side scatter. And in that side-scattered light, a reported spin-locking pattern. Hidden polarization, spin order emerges. If you love mind-bending science, subscribe to SciByte Insights for more.